Hello everyone. Today I will be making salmon miso with my mom for a school project and also a YouTube vlog.
Hello. Okay, what are you gonna make today?
Salmon miso.
Salmon miso. But what is miso, Danica?
A Japanese condiment that uses soya bean.
Oh, soya bean is interesting. Have you ever tried it before?
No.
Oh, okay. So
Maybe I have.
maybe you have. Do you think you're gonna like it?
I only tried miso soup.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are ready to make the cooking video, right? It's a very simple one, right? So what do we have here?
Sesame oil, Korean soy sauce, cooking sake, and honmirin.
Honmirin. You know what is honmirin?
No.
It's alcohol actually, but it's okay. When you cook it, all of the alcohol will evaporate.
But it's a good thing it's not real alcohol, because if we were real alcohol, it would be like.
No, when you cook it in the high heat, all of this alcohol will evaporate, so you only taste the sweetness of it. But it's okay, let's get cooking because it's dinner time, right? So we glaze it on,
So that's
what
why-
protein is this? What is this?
Salmon.
Salmon, right? So let's make the miso paste, right? The miso mixture. Alright,
So
what do
this-
we need to put here?
Sesame oil, soy sauce,
Okay,
cooking sake, honmirin, and
a tablespoon of,
miso paste.
okay, can you use, oh, we can
That looks
use
like
this one.
octopus.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's put a tablespoon of each.
Well, I don't even know how to do it since I always pour too much.
And you have to be careful. Which one that you want to pour in first? You can do it one at a time.
I don't know how. Okay.
Give it a shot.
I don't know how I keep
Just a
pouring
tiny
too much
bit.
and always can't.
1 tablespoon of it.
What even is 1 tablespoon?
That's I think half under the line. A little bit more, please. I think that's enough. Okay, let's pour it in. I will close this for you.
I'm not really careful.
Fine.
So I guess the paste is all wet.
So the honmirin is done, and then the next one is
Sake.
okay.
I guess we don't need to wipe it.
It's fine. All right. Similar like before. Maybe we can pepper it down. We don't want too much alcohol, right? Oh, maybe have to throw it a little bit.
Yeah,
Wait a
we don't need this much.
Otherwise, you get drunk. You get drunk.
I don't even drink it!
All right. Let's pour it a little bit. Yeah, we will. We cannot use this one. Okay, let's pour it in. Let me help you with taking it away.
Thank you.
The next one is
Actually,
your favorite soy sauce, right?
we used it when we were making boo-boo.
Mm-hmm. Do it, please. Snap. Be careful, there's a big hole there.
Yeah, no,
You have to do it gently. Pour it just a little bit at a
I think
time.
it's heavy.
Oh, it's alright, you can try again. Tiny bit.
I think it's heavy.
Mm.
This is it?
It's not enough. It's definitely not enough.
A bit more.
I can help you with holding this one. Heavy.
Yes.
Okay.
Enough.
See now? And then
It turned the whole thing brown.
yep. And drizzle a little bit of the
What do you mean drizzle? Put it here or put this
Well,
here or here?
To be safe, put it here. Okay, you don't want to put too much and then you can't. You need help. Okay, it's done. What is the sesame oil?
I don't even know. It smells like sesame beans.
Yes. I think maybe you grind it and get the oil out. Oh, enough here. All right. Pour it in. Then do your mixture time. All right.
Like this.
Yes. Make sure you mix it until.
This looks like octopus.
Dr. Octopus. Yes. You mix it until all of the misos combine well with the
Look like
other.
octopus tentacles.
You might need to squeeze it and push a bit. Push the miso piece. Press it with the bottom of your. There you go. Do you need help?
No, no.
Alright. Is
It's
it
like Bobby.
Bobby? What do you mean by Bobby?
It's like meat.
No.
It's like squishy meat.
Okay, keep on mixing. Is it thick enough? I don't think it's mixed already.
All I can see is the soy sauce.
Maybe I can help you a bit with
Looks like curry.
this. So you press the miso
This
paste.
thing looks like curry.
No, curry is different. Curry is more spices. This one is not spices, right?
This curry just has carrot in it for some reason.
And potato, right? The Japanese curry that you used to like at this, right? Alright, now the mixture
Now I don't
is-
even eat it.
Now you can put this, the salmon. You can put it. I wash my hand. Can I help you? I put it here.
That's a big chunk
Skin
of salmon.
down,
That's
and
a
then
big.
you pour some of this on top of the salmon. So it's.
That's a big chunk of salmon.
Oh, you call that a glazing part, right?
Oh.
And then
Okay, I guess the
Is it
salmon.
glazed
the salmon's,
already?
I guess the salmon's chop is fully covered.
all right. Then what you have to do after this? You have to wait. How many minutes that we have to marinate the salmon?
30
Okay. Then see you later.
for now.
See ya.
So I guess now we have to wait for real life. Welcome back. 30 minutes has already passed, so time to air fry the salmon. What the?
Careful. Right. You put it in. Okay. This glaze is easily
Burn.
burned. So what you have to do?
And also, if too much glaze is on, it's gonna taste bad.
Yeah, because it's easily burned, it will taste bitter when it's burned, right?
Okay.
Now, can you help me?
I'm already starting to brush.
Yes. What are you doing now? Okay.
I'm gonna brush some of the glaze off so it doesn't taste bitter.
It doesn't get burned. Alright. Okay. Maybe you have to show them, right?
You can't really see it since the
Let
roll
me
of the
show.
pot.
Our viewer, what does it look like? Okay, is it ready?
I think so.
Okay, so we have to put it in the.
Air fryer.
All
For
right.
how long?
No, 12 minutes at 180 degrees, right?
Remember that like Captain Underpants one where they have to bake at 45 degrees for 3 hours.
Well, I think 45 degrees Celsius is a bit too
No.
low temperature, isn't it? That's why they have to make it for 3 hours. Well, we set it for 180 degrees, but I like it a bit less. And we wait for 120 minutes, just like this. It's cooking. So what do you have to say?
See you later.
In how many minutes?
12. Bye bye. Now I am done and now I'm about to eat this. You can follow my recipe or slow it down if you can make it if you want to make it too. Bye bye.